This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials: compatible iPhone or Apple Watch and the card ready. First, open Wallet and tap the plus symbol to add a card. Scan the card or type its number. Once added, follow bank verification, often an SMS code or quick app confirmation, because Apple Pay needs that trust link. After verification, make this your default if you prefer it for faster checkout. Once done, lock screen payments are enabled via Face ID, Touch ID, or your watch passcode. To pay in store, wake your device and authenticate. Double-click the side button and use Face ID or rest your finger on Touch ID. If you use an Apple Watch, double-press the side button to bring up the card. Make sure the correct card is selected. Swipe or tap to change it. Then hold the top of the iPhone or the watch face about 1 to 2 centimeters from the contactless reader. You'll feel a vibration or hear a chime. This confirms the transaction. If prompted, enter a PIN at the terminal. Complete the purchase by confirming the on-screen checkmark and, if needed, reviewing the merchant receipt. For in-app or web purchases, pick Apple Pay at checkout and confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This authorizes shipping and billing instantly. If something fails, declined, or no response, first check your network and whether the card is still active. Restart the device and make sure iOS is current. If it still fails, contact your bank to verify holds or blocks. That single check fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.